Inequalities. So inequalities are going to be similar to equations, except for the equal sign. You're going to have an equal sign with equation, because equal, equation, pretty similar there. For our inequalities, we actually have these symbols that are called inequalities. And these symbols are this, which is less than. We have this, which is greater than. And then we also have this, which is less than or equal to. And we have this, which is greater than or equal to. Okay, so the easiest way usually to understand these is just to probably do a couple of examples. If we have something like this, these will be true or false examples, okay? Say we have this. That's supposed to be a question mark. Still doesn't really look like one, but hopefully it's a little bit better. This is asking 14 inequality symbol is this one, which is greater than or equal to. So this is asking, is 14 greater than or equal to 15? Well, no, it's not. And the reason why I know that is because if I look at these values on a number line, 14 is actually on the left-hand side of 15, which means it's less than 15. Okay? What if we have 4 times 4 minus 13 less than or equal to 3? So if you notice, that left-hand side kind of looks similar to what we did previously when we were doing order of operations. Actually, the reason why they had us do order of operations first is because we're going to need to apply it in this section. So order of operations, parentheses, no, exponents, no, multiplication or division, yes, this is multiplication. I'm going to do that first. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 13 less than or equal to 3. I kind of keep doing my question mark because I'm still not sure, right? And then now I just have subtraction. 16 minus 3 is 3 less than or equal to 3. So now I actually can evaluate this. This is asking, is 3 less than or is it equal to 3? And yes, it is equal to 3. Therefore, it would be true. Okay, let's do another example. Say we have 7 times 5 plus 7 times 7 greater than. It's really easy to mess up. I kind of think I remember being taught that this sort of looked like an alligator mouth and it opens to the bigger value, right? Because alligators are hungry, they want more, not less. So this symbol, because it's opening to this side right here, this is saying that this side right here is greater than this other side, right? So it wants to know if 7 times 5 plus 7 times 7 is greater than or equal to 35 divided by 5 plus 7, plus 7 times 7. Okay, so let's look at this. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on now, right? We're just going to work on the left-hand side and then we can work on the right-hand side. So left-hand side, multiplication, right? That would go first. Left to right would be the 7 times 5, which is 35. And then we have our plus 7 times 7 greater than or equal to. You don't have to just keep writing it, going down and keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm just going to work on the left-hand side, and then I'm going to start working on the right-hand side. Honestly, whichever way you can do it is, as long as you get the correct answer, you're okay. So over here now, left-hand side, we have 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49, greater than or equal to, just for continuity, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. 35 plus 49, 84, greater than or equal to. Okay, now I'm working on the right-hand side. Order of operations, no parentheses, no exponents. There is multiplication and there is division. So what we're going to do first is the 35 divided by 5, which is 7, right? That's weird looking 7, which is 7. And then it says plus 7 times 7. Well, 7 times 7 is 49. So I have 84 greater than or equal to 7 plus 49, which is 56. And what do you say? I say it's true, and that is the correct answer, because if you look at a number line, 84 is on the right-hand side of 56, which means it is larger. Okay, so that actually is going to be it for 9.1. The previous video with the exponents in the order of operations, and now this inequalities. So just make sure with the inequalities you pay attention to everything else we learned. If there are exponents in your inequality, you would need to follow the order of operations, which means you would do those first. And then you're going to use what we learned also in 9.1 with the order of operations in the parentheses whenever you do the inequalities, because this could look very similar to the examples we did with the inequalities, but maybe it's on both sides and you have exponents. You just need to make sure that you always follow the order of operations whenever you solve problems like this, okay? Thanks, y'all.